to Piano for All, brought to you by Showhouse Academy. Kamalamu TKO. Yeah, I'm your facilitator for today's lesson. Sifundile previously amagama ama-notes ilawa mhlophe namnyama, sakhuluma ngokuthi bapho C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Sakhuluma ngama-semitone movement, sakhuluma nangama-whole tone movement, sakhuluma ngani nge-major scale ukuthi i-tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Sakhuluma nange-fingering technique ya-C major scale ukuthi for your right hand ithi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then for your left hand, it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then you reverse as you go down. All right. Now, namhlanje ngithombisile ukuthi sizokwenza amanye futhi ama-formulas a major scale. I mean, a formula for other major scales, but ane-fingering technique efanayo nobani no C major. And lawo ma-scales sithe kuzoba ubani u-D no E, u-G no A no B. All right. Those are the ones we're gonna do. All right. Okay. So, sesiyazi formula. Oh, by the way, contact ngithi ngizoyishare nani in the previous video ngakhohlwa. Kunento ekuthiwa i-tetrachord, okay? Ningathuki kakhulu ngalama terms. But basically, i-tetrachord is when you look at this formula ye major scale, but sizoyihlukanisa kabili. So, sithe it's whole tone, kube semitone, or hlamba sithi whole tone, semitone, kube whole tone, and a semitone. Right? So mawubheka whole tone, and a semitone, and then nalakhona whole tone, and semitone sihlukaniswe whole tone A1 in between, right? If it confuses you, it's okay. Khona ama-classes theory, a music theory, I'll explain this concept in more detail khona la isobe sifunda khona ngezagila no line ukufunda i-staff notation, right? Abanye ke bathi izagila, yes, kukhona amanye ama-class engiwadesignile akhuluma ngaleyo theory, so I'll explain this thing yama-tetrachord kakhulu mase sifike lapho ke. So yeah, ake sihlabele mgama. So in iscale esilandelayo ke sizosenza sizokwenza manje iscale sa D major. Remember, a scale is a set of notes ahamba ndawone kamnandi alandelana ngesequence ethize, and leyo sequence for major scale ithi tone, semitone, tone, semitone. And okunye iscale siqala kuleli note esiqale kulona kumele si-ende on the very same note. All right? Ningakhohlwa ke lokho. So sizokwenza manje ini iscale sa D major, starting from D ending on D. Now, using the formula yethu ya whole tone, tone, semitone, tone, semitone. Tongue twister right there. I guess I can major scale for D major. So siyaqala la. Okay, starting from D to D. I guess baleke sithi tone. Tone, ne? Another tone. Tone, bese sithi semitone, sithi tone, semitone. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Slowly. Siyaqala la, asibali. We are just establishing our home key la. So you don't ungalenzi iphutha lokuthi uthi tone. No, you don't say tone because you haven't moved. Remember, we're counting the number of movements, right? So, establishing our home key or E-root, a scale, and then you're gonna go tone, semitone, tone, semitone. All right? So that's your D major scale. Okunye ngicela ukunotice la as we play these scales, obvious amehlo wakho azoya ngokuyikrema le pattern ukuthi okay u-D major ubukeka kanjani, but also we need to get your ears involved as well now, because ekugcineni music vele uzodliwa ukudla kwendlebe vele music. So we need to start training our ears as well to recognize these scales. For instance, it has this particular happy mood or happy tone to it. Yes? As opposed to bekuyi-minor le ngiqeda ukuyidlala, but uma uyiqhathanisa ne-major, so the major is happy, right? So you need to start getting your ears into the habit of recognizing ama-scales, even if ungasiboni ngamehlo, but ngokusilalela ukwazi ukusizwa ukuthi si-major or si-minor, right? So anyways, now ake senze-ke u-D major, kodwa manje sesiwenza with the correct fingering. Remember-ke ngithe wonke lama-scales esizowenza kule tutorial le izobe ihamba ithi for right izothi 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. For your left hand izothi 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Okay, ake senzeke. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Right? Ngaka left, same thing. We're gonna start from D to D and then using the correct fingering technique. All right. 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Right? And then let's do them together. All right? So there was D major. And now we're going to move on to E major. All right? E major, scala la, now E. So qeda la ku E, right? And then we're going to apply the formula yethu ya tone tone semitone, tone 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 semitone. So misuka la sizothi tone, sithi tone, sithi semitone, sithi tone, another tone, semitone, right? Right? I guess here now with the correct fingering technique. Remember, say 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Tone. Okay. Home key or root. And then sihamba by tone. 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 Semitone. Tone. 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 Semitone. Into emnandi lana ukuthi if usebenzisa the correct fingering technique, sometimes it's actually harder to make a mistake or to even land on the wrong notes as long as ulandela the correct fingering technique. It's like your fingers almost instantly know where to land. Okay, so asenze E major once more with the right hand, and then we'll move on to the next to the left hand. Asenze again. Asenze with the left hand, starting from E. So qeda ku E. Okay, asiyeke. Both hands together now. Tuck. All right. The next key is G. Right? Sizala ku-G manje. U-G ke uhamba kanjani? Mesiqala la ku-G, sizoqeda la ku-G futhi olandelayo. All right? But now applying the same formula, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. So it's going to be starting from G, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. That's a scale sabani sa G major. Asiwenzeke manje u-G major with the correct fingering technique. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. Senzeke. Tone. Remember, mawuqala la usho ukuthi tone. Mengithi tone, I'm counting this movement. That's my first movement. So, home key, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Right hand, same thing. Scala with our pinky finger, which is our fifth finger, from G to G. Right? Scalege. Home key, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Oops, sorry. Both hands together. Ungakhohlwa ngizoloku istressa lento ngoba ibalekile. Njalo mawuqala isikele esisha, yenza ngesandla esi1, ulandele ngesinye bese uyazihlanganisa. Only when you have gained independence ne fluency on each hand, then you can bring them together. Because it's better to deal with one problem and another problem and then bring them together sebe solviwe instead of having two problems at the same time. Okay? All right. So we're done with G, and then now we're going to do A. Starting from A to A, applying the formula, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone, and the fingering, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5. See again. Home key, tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Senze nango left. Siqala la ku A, siqede ku A, starting from our fifth finger or our pinky. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Let's do with both hands together. Yabo. All right. And then let's do the last one. All right. In fact, I'm tempted to add no F because F ucishe ufane but uhluke kancane. But ake siqale ngo B. U-B now it's the same thing. Siqala ku B, so qeda ku B. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. All right. Siqala la. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Okay, ngixolele ufile lo khe wami lo. All right, so there was B major, and then B major for your left hand. Oh, yeah, nazo-ke. So B major has an exception. B major ngaka right. Usebenzisa 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5, ne? All right, but ngaka left awusebenzisa u5 4 3 2 1. Angiyakhumbula ukuthi wonke lamanye amaskeli abesiwenza athi 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Lena ke leya B iqala ku4. Ithi 4 3 2 1 4 3 2 1. So kule left hand kwiscale sa B major upinky awusebenzi, our fifth finger. So asiphinde ke futhi. Let's do with both hands. Siqala ngo4 ngala siqala ngo1. Yeah, ngi-improvisile lapha kodwa ingishayile ngala. Let's just do that again. Sorry. Okay, so let's do it again. Into enzakalayo ku-B if ungaqalanga ngo4 uzofosteka ukuthi ulethe isithupha la phezulu mawuqale ngo5, buka ke. Sekufanele ulethe isithupha la to the black key, kanti ngaso sonke isikhathi we always avoid avoida ukuthumela i-thumb or isithupha to the black keys. Try by all means avoid isithupha on the black keys because kunzima, it's just a bit tricky. Uthusa kabuhlungu isandla. So that's why we have to start on the fourth one so that naturally the fifth one will land la and then it doesn't have to go there. All right. Okay. Now I promised ukuthi sizogcina ku-B, but ngicela usale sengi-add no F major so that we are just done with all the white notes. Okay? All right. Ake senze ke u-F major. U-F major nakhona ke sizokwenza tone tone semitone tone 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 semitone. So siqala ku-F siqede ku-F. Tone tone semitone tone 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 semitone. Nakho okunye okubalekile. Iminwe la ihlala khona when you going up. Kumele ihlale khona futhi mawubuya. For instance, abona nje mawu-notice 1 2 3 4. You see our fourth finger iwona ohlala ku-B flat as we going up. Noma sesibuya futhi the same thing must happen. This finger must land la. Okay? Yonke iminwe la ilende khona inyuka kumele ilende seyibuya. So ake senze just to demonstrate. Yabo? Everyone? All right. So that's F major. F major ngaka left. It's 5 4 3 2 1 3 2 1. Both hands together. Ku-F major scale, kwisandla sangaka right, did you notice ukuthi upinky awusebenzi? Yeah. Anyways, so that's it. Siqedile ngama scales manje kulabo key abamhlophe. All right. The next scales esizokwenza-ke manje ama-major scales sizokwenza in the next video, sizokwenza all the black keys, ama-major scales for all the black keys. All right, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the following video.